Here's the latest on that case. Victor Martinez and Jose Villagomez are charged with first-degree murder. Authorities say the two broke into Marilyn Pharis' home in 2015. Yesterday, the prosecution and defense agreed that Villagomez acted as a lookout while Martinez carried out the attack. Prosecutors say Martinez had been arrested 6 times prior and was in the country illegally. Opening statements for Villagomez were made yesterday. Today is Martinez's turn. And KSBY reporter Megan Abundis is live outside of the courthouse to tell us more. Megan?
This case drew national attention because police say Martinez is an undocumented immigrant with prior arrests. Now, normally in a court setting, a criminal case, immigration status is not brought up. It wasn't brought up today in court as well. Now, Mr. Martinez was present and alert for opening statements today. A new set of jurors listened to opening statements surrounding defendant Victor Martinez. When jurors entered the room, he stood up and gave a small smile. Senior Deputy District Attorney Ann Bramson told the jury the defendant beat Marilyn Pharis within an inch of her life. Very graphic pictures that we can't show on TV taken in the hospital in 2015 show Marilyn Pharis bleeding from her nose and ears, severely bruised and with a broken neck bone. Police interviewed Martinez for hours. The prosecution said his story changed from him claiming no involvement in breaking into the house and beating Pharis to admitting he hit her with a hammer, tried to strangle her, and touched her under her underwear. When asked why he beat her, Martinez said, quote, "She saw me and I didn't want problems with the police." Defense attorney Lori Pettigo says Martinez only made those statements to make police happy. But prosecutors presented evidence showing Martinez's DNA on a crowbar used to break in, a red line on his neck from the rosary chain that Pharis pulled off his neck, the hammer, and Martinez's blood spatters on the wall and bedding. Pettigo did not dispute that Martinez choked Pharis or entered her house unlawfully, but said no DNA evidence was found in Pharis's private areas. And there wasn't enough evidence that Martinez intended to kill Pharis, or that he was a factor in her death at all, but that her death was the result of hospital staff failing to catch a blood clot. The prosecution says the blood clot formed because Pharis couldn't move due to the injuries she suffered in the attack. Martinez's family was in court today. They were emotional and declined to make any comment to me today. Now, the defense said that when this happened, Martinez was jobless, homeless, hadn't eaten for days, and used drugs the morning of this alleged crime. Live and local in Santa Maria, Megan Abundis, KSBY News. All right, thank you, Megan. Both defendants will be in court together tomorrow. Many witnesses are set to testify, including medical staff, pathologists, and Martinez's brother.